guys, it's my first weekend here in Accra, and today I will be going to wash my hair and have it interlocked. Welcome home, welcome home. Coffee, please open the gate for me. My phone, thank you. Thank you. Can you open the gate for me, please? I'm going now to the salon and I will have my hair done. I'm almost there. I hope I'll be one of the first to have the hair done because I've got pretty much tight schedule today and I left my crew at home, so I just hope that was so quick. I'll see you guys later. Thankfully, I'm one of the first. I might finish early. Or I might finish on time. I'm just waiting for them to wash it for me and I will interlock it. Mati. Bye. Bye. Guys, tell me, do you like my hair? Do you like the style? I will take a proper photo of it and I will share it in the video. I'm heading back home and we will continue with the rest of the day. A family friend is making lunch for us today and she'll be making TZ. Oh my god. So TZ is basically, I don't have enough history about it, but it's very healthy. The soup, the green soup is very healthy. As usual, I will a video of it. I'll add it to the vlog. We'll go and get ready and then we'll head over to my grandma's place because that's where she will be dropping the food off. Then we eat healthy. Remember, it's a healthy food, not a junk food. I'll see you on the other side in today's vlog. On another side. I really miss driving back home. I do miss it. Bye guys. I'll see you in my next video. Maybe soon, yeah? Maybe soon, yeah, shortly.
A few moments later.
It's another day in the motherland. Okay, let's work it.